Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, we'll discuss now one question where company has applied for a bank loan to finance its working capital. In such case, you are required to present your need to the bank. For that purpose, you require to have a projection of your particular future years total level of activities, that is your production, sales, expected debtors, how much credit you will get from the suppliers. These are the details you are required to provide to the bank so that bank will sanction an amount for working capital. How to do that we'll be discussing in this question. A newly formed company has applied to commercial bank for the first time for financing its working capital requirements. The following information is available about the projections for the current year. Raw material per unit 40 rupees, direct labor 15 rupees, overheads 30 rupees, total cost 85, profit 15 rupees, thereby sales is rupees 100. Other information: raw material in stock on an average 4 weeks consumption. This is information of average stock of raw material. This will become part of current asset. Work in progress, this is also part of current asset. Completion stage 50% on an average half month. Finished goods in stock on an average 1 month. This is also part of current asset. Credit allowed by suppliers is 1 month. Suppliers credit means its current liabilities. Credit allowed to debtors is 2 months. Current asset. Average limit lag in payment of wages 1.5 weeks, current liability, and 4 weeks overhead expenses, current liability. Cash in hand at bank is desired to be maintained 50,000, current asset. All sales are on credit basis only. You are required to prepare statement showing the estimate of working capital needed to finance an activity level of, this is given projected units for the current year, 96,000 units. Assume that the production is carried on evenly throughout the year and the wages and overheads accrue similarly. For the calculation purpose, 4 weeks may be taken as equal to a month and 52 weeks in a year. Here some information we have in months, some information we have in weeks. So we are required to decide whether we'll have our calculation of cost statement monthly or weekly basis. It will be easy for us if we keep the cost statement on monthly basis, and wherever weekly information is there, we will convert accordingly. Activity level for the current year is given 96,000 units. Units per annum divided by 12 months. Units per annum 96,000 divided by 12. So it is 8,000 units per month. Per unit information is given in the question. Raw material consumption per month 3,20,000, direct labor 1,20,000, overheads 2,40,000, total cost 6,80,000, profit 1,20,000, sales per month 8 lakhs. Raw material remains in stock on an average 4 weeks consumption. 4 weeks, that is equal to 1 month. So we can have formula raw material per month multiplied by period. Raw material per month consumption is 3,20,000. Raw material per month 3,20,000 multiplied by period 4 weeks, that is equal to 1 month. So it comes to 3,20,000. It will be part of current asset. Work in progress half month, finished goods in stock on an average for 1 month. So finished goods they have given 1 month. Average stock of finished goods is equal to total cost per month multiplied by period. Total cost per month 6,80,000. Total cost per month 6,80,000 multiplied by period 1 month, it will be 6,80,000. It will be part of current asset. Average stock of work in progress half month. Raw material per month, we have figure of raw material per month 3,20,000. For work in progress purpose, we have to take half month. So multiplied by half. So it is 1,60,000. Direct labor per month 1,20,000. Overheads 2,40,000. Per month direct labor 1,20,000. Half month, therefore multiplied by half, multiplied by 50%. So it is 30,000. Overheads per month 2,40,000 multiplied by half, multiplied by 50%. It is 60,000. Average stock of work in progress 2,50,000. It will be part of current asset. Credit allowed to debtors is 2 months. Sales per month we have 8 lakhs. Multiplied by period 2 months. 16 lakhs. This will be part of current asset. Credit allowed by suppliers is 1 month. Creditors for goods 1 month. Raw materials per month required multiplied by period. Per month raw material requirement is 3,20,000. 3,20,000. It will be a current liability. Creditors for expenses. Average limit lag in payment of wages 1.5 weeks and 4 weeks in overhead expenses. Creditors for expenses, wages, time gap of payment remaining outstanding 1.5 week. We have information of wages monthly basis. So we'll take direct labor per month. To have 1 week, we'll divide by 4 multiplied by 1/4, and as per period here they have given 1.5 week, we'll multiply by 1.5 week. Direct labor per month 1,20,000, that is for 4 weeks 1,20,000. 1,20,000 multiplied by 1/4 multiplied by 1.5. So creditors for wages 45,000, it will be current liability. Overheads per month 2,40,000. Overheads we have to take 4 weeks. 1 month is equal to 4 weeks, that is given in the question. So overheads per month multiplied by period. Overheads for 4 weeks or 1 month 2,40,000 multiplied by period 4 weeks, that is 1 month. So it will be 2,40,000. This will be part of current liability. We have calculated required current assets and current liabilities. Let us do now final solution, that is statement of estimated working capital. Statement of estimated working capital. First we have to consider current assets. There we have first item inventories, that is stock of raw material, stock of work in progress, stock of finished goods. We have calculated these values as a working note. Average stock of raw material for 4 weeks 3,20,000. Stock of raw materials 3,20,000. Average stock of work in progress 2,50,000. Average stock of work in progress 2,50,000. Average stock of finished goods 6,80,000. Stock of finished goods 6,80,000. Debtors for 2 months 16 lakhs. Debtors at sale price 16 lakhs. Cash in hand and at bank is desired to be maintained at rupees 50,000. This will be part of current asset. We have recorded all current assets. We can take now total to arrive at gross working capital or total current assets. So we have gross working capital 29 lakhs. From this we are required to deduct current liabilities. Creditors for goods 3,20,000. Creditors for expenses, wages 45,000, overheads 2,40,000. So we got total current liabilities 6,05,000. From current asset, we'll deduct this current liabilities. $22,95,000. This will be estimated net working capital. In this question, we have learned that when we have information in month as well as in weeks, we are required to read information in the question very carefully. That is, 1 month is equal to 4 weeks, and in a year there are 52 weeks. Thanks for watching this video. Stay in tune with Ekeeda and subscribe to our channel Ekeeda. Thank you.